Hello, my name is Deswintan Fajria from 2023 GIC class name 006. I will present about the food themed cultural bumps that I experienced in my life and with the correlation with media that I choose. The media that I choose is The Hundred Food Journey, cross-cultural interactions in a Hollywood film. This movie tells the story about culinary culture bumps that related with my experience about culture bumps. Scene of an Indian family who moved to Paris and built a restaurant in Paris and served their food to people in Paris. Explain the cultural identity from different culture. The Indian family faced a problem when one of the French didn't like the cuisine or food at the Indian restaurant, and they still tried to serve their best food. Because the Indian restaurant was not well liked, the restaurant owner kept trying to prove to the French that the food in the restaurant was good by making an omelette. Scene that explained in the movie where the French finally ate the food from the restaurant next door after eating an omelette from Indian's family restaurant. I experienced short-term orientation hostage value dimensions when I'm not found my hometown food kupang at street vendors in front of Unesa Lake in 2023. Finally, I tried food other than kupang but still has similarities that's called Krecho in front of Unesa Lake in 2023. The thing that makes cultural bumps is the difference in the taste of food. Based on my experience, the taste of kupang and Krecho food is different. And I will explain about different tastes from these two food. Kupang is savory and strong herbs taste, and Krecho is light and spicy. Texturally, Kupang is softer and Krecho is firm texture. Although Kupang is different from Krecho, I don't have too much of a barrier. But I can't eat a lot of kupang and only a small portion of krecho. But I like both. Finally, I managed to adapt to the new food I encountered, which was krecho, even though I had not found kupang yet at street vendors in front of Unesa Lake. And I also have experienced cultural bumps food in Central Java, specifically when I went to Rembang and Solo. Were about the different flavors of food. Food in Central Java, specifically Rembang and Solo, to be precise, has a flavor that tends to be bland on my tongue. I ate pecel rice with tempeh and iced tea, which I found to be less savory and more bland. Each region has its own food characteristics, and the taste of the food may not suit my palate. For example, For the food with bland taste that may not suit my palate, but I think the bland taste of food is more healthier because the food tend to be bland. I added sambal provided so that my food could suit my taste. And I found out that if you want iced tea that is not bland, you have to order sweet iced tea. Correlation with movies. Even though there are differences in the food in a new place, I'm still happy to learn new things in my life. As in the movie The Hundred Food Journey 2015, which tells the cultural differences between food in Indian restaurants and food in France. In the end, the only way to enjoy food is to adapt. And we are getting a new knowledge for our life. New taste in food that we are trying is new knowledge for our life. That is my presentation in Pechakucha slides. Thank you.